Magandang gabi po mga kababayan. Kasama ko po ngayon ang magkaklase, dalawang legend po ito. Magkaklase sa 11th Congress, si Uncle Sunny Belmonte, former Speaker 2001 at naging Speaker po ng 2010 at 2016. And of course, si Tatay Digong, kaklase sila sa 11th Congress bilang kongresista at naging mayor. Halos magkasabay rin po sila, naging 3-term mayor. At naging presidente naman po si Tatay Digong. Unahin ko lang po nandito si Uncle Sunny Belmonte. Speaker Sunny Belmonte.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Talagang this is a terrific coincidence that I'm very happy about. Isipin nyo na nalaman ko from Senator Bongo na nandito si Presidente PRRD, no? And outside of being president and being a government official, we have been friends since we were congressmen together. Kaya matagal na kami magkaibigan. And I'm so happy that I see President Duterte, naging presidente, pero walang pagbabago. Ganun pa rin siya. A very humble person na pagka kinakausap ko, sarap ng usapan din yung pareho. Diba? And I'm very happy for this opportunity. Butit nagkita kami. At actually, in the back of my mind, I was really planning to pay a visit to Davao at Satan lang. Pero look at this opportunity na naibigay sa akin. Dahil sa nagtawagan na kami ni Senator Bongo, eto, andito kami tatlo ngayon, pagkakasama rito sa kainan, kumain kami. So, I'm really very grateful. At saka si President Duterte really is a person I admire. Walang yabang ito, walang yabang, di prinsipyo, and ganun pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. And it's a great honor na magkasama-sama kami ngayong gabi. Actually, gusto ko talaga magdaan sa Davao at pagpapasatsatan lang sa kanya. Pero here's this big chance. So, kaya ipopostpone ko lang muna in Davao, pero I'll definitely go there also. Kaya thank you, Mr. President. Thank you for being here with you and exchanging views with you. At marami ring salamat sa kay Bongo. Ito, kung tawagin namin ito, nephew. Why? Dahil sa misis ko, si Betty Go Belmonte. Go rin. Kaya,
Salamat, Uncle. Ito naman po si Tatay Digong. Kaklase po sila.
Mga kababayan ko, I am really honored to be with the Speaker Belmonte. Speaker man ang tawag ko sa kanya, talagang speaker siya. To be with him, to break bread, including my wife here. And for the longest time, we have not seen each other. So I consider this a very enjoyable moment in our lives. You know, life is getting to be shorter for us, kaming matatanda na. But whatever little time left for us dito sa buhay at nagkikita kami, we always reminiscence and remember the days during the Congress and during the time when we were out of the country. Nagpapasyal kami, including everything sa Middle East. Kaya lang, what struck me at that time was, pauwi na kami, nag-peel off siya. And he said, I'm not going with you because sabi niya, pupunta ako ng Luxor. Sabi ko, mag-isa ka lang, sir. Sabi ko, is it not a dangerous thing to do? Sabi sabi ko, adventurous talaga ito si Speaker Belmonte. Kaya marami siyang experience. Pero I admire him and I consider him one of my closest friends.
Salamat po. Nakakatawa po ang magkaklase sa 11th Congress noong 1998. Naging speaker po si Uncle Sunny Belmonte at bumalik po muli as speaker. At si Tatay Digong naman po naging mayor at naging presidente. Pareho silang 3-term mayor ng kanilang mga syudad, no? Quezon City si Speaker Belmonte at Davao City naman po si Mayor Rodrigo Duterte. Naging pangulo. Ngayon nagkita sila muli. Mga magkaklase. Dalawang legends po ito sa Pilipinas. Ang ating Tatay Digong at Uncle Sunny Belmonte. Salamat po.